I enjoyed helping people, and I thought that was something that I would want to do as a prosecutor out of law school, and so that was a lot of fun. I liked the courtroom experience, and so I just loved being in court and being able to help people. I work out of the Madison office. Right now we have the Milwaukee office is the main office. In Madison we have 3 attorneys and like 15 support staff. So we've got a great location in Madison. We also have offices in Appleton and Green Bay and Gurnee. I was at a firm in Madison. I was doing corporate litigation, helping richer people get richer. And I didn't like that. It was, billion-dollar companies fighting over stupid stuff and, just frivolous sort of stuff. And I knew that isn't what I wanted to do. So then I did some personal injury work. The prosecution firm that I worked for, it was a law firm that contracted out with municipalities. So 80% of my practice was municipal prosecution and 20% was litigation. So that was my first kind of foray into personal injury law. I worked with a personal injury attorney, loved that work, but it was hard. It was hard to find a personal injury firm. So then once I moved to Madison, I was doing back to corporate litigation. But then I also did some insurance defense work, which that I very much disliked. And then I knew for sure, being on the other side of the table doing the insurance defense, I knew for sure I wanted to do the other side and represent the injured parties. With Harley-Davidson here, I know our firm has done a wonderful job. It's one of the things that I really enjoy about working with Hupy and Abraham is, they recognize that motorcycle safety is a concern. There aren't people who are as aware to look out for motorcycles, especially with the presence of Harley-Davidson here. Milwaukee, even in Madison and other parts of Wisconsin, there are motorcycles everywhere. And this firm does a great job of doing motorcycle awareness and recognizing that that's a concern. There are far too many motorcycle accidents, and so motorcycle safety is critical, and motorcycle awareness is very important. Well, I've got a motorcycle, so I love to ride my motorcycle, and I also do a pedal bike. I have a Klein bike that I use in the triathlons, and so I'll love to just get on the road and just bike. I can go for miles, and it's fun. It's just you get on, country roads in Wisconsin on a bike are just so much fun. You get on a desolate, country road, there isn't much traffic, and you can just ride, not have to worry about people passing you or coming the other direction, and so that's a lot of fun.